A great conflict was about to come off between the birds and the bees. When the two armies were collected together, the bat hesitated which to join. Then the birds that passed his perch said, "Come with us." And the bat said, "No, I'm the beast." Later on, some bees who were passing underneath him looked up and said, "Come with us." But he said, "I am a bird." Luckily, at the last moment, peace was made, and the bat came to the bird and the bees, want to join the group, but they all turned. So now, the bat knows nobody wants him anymore, and he said with himself, "Ah, I see now." The moral of the story: he that is neither one thing nor the other has no friends.